Welcome back to the Mani and Freeha show. So we cut off a little abruptly, my apologies for that, but we have some pending questions for our guest, Yasser Malik and Mani.
Yes, so my question
As you were
was,
asking.
Absolutely. So I think I threw off like a couple of questions.
Yeah.
So मेरा पहला question था for, and this is again for the wider audiences, जो throughout not just in Canada में बल्कि पूरी world में से सुन सकते हैं. And of course, and I'm sure कि सबकी यही होगी कि किस तरह आप member बन सकते हैं वो नमल के.
It's very easy. आप नमल नॉलेज सिटी की वेबसाइट पे जाएं, ये स्क्रीन पे आपको नज़र आ रही है, तो वहाँ पे आप जाके तो आप मेंबर बन सकते हैं. और उसके अलावा हम मई 12 को इवेंट कर रहे हैं जिसमें अलीमा खान और हमजा अली अब्बासी शिरकत करेंगे. और मई 12 को रेड रोज़ बैंक्वेट हॉल पे 6 PM एंड ऑनवर्ड्स. और वहाँ पे आएँ और आपको मेंबरशिप फॉर्म्स मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे आप के मेंबर बन सकते हैं. और I really,
and it is a fundraising event,
it
right?
is a fundraising, and then और also आप अगर आप मेंबर बनना चाहें या अगर आप वन टाइम डोनेशन करना चाहते हैं तो we are asking everybody to donate bricks. तो आप और जो ब्रिक्स डोनेट करेंगे उनके ऊपर उनके जिन्होंने जो डोनर्स हैं उनके नाम भी लिखे जाएंगे.
It's a beautiful idea. कितना अच्छा आइडिया है कि आप ईंट पे आपका नाम लिखा होगा, एक बनाने वाले की.
तो ये आपको आप you will really feel good about it,
and especially एक education एक ऐसी चीज़ है, एक बच्चों की foundation जब आपकी सही होगी, एक जैसे हम हमेशा से कहते हैं कि of course Islam and any religion, you know, it's not only limited to one religion. Any culture, any civilization, it's very important you educate a mother, you educate a child, that's the foundation. So this is what your contribution towards is, that you build towards the foundation. You know, आप एक बच्चे को educate कर रहे हैं और जिस तरह इन्होंने कहा है कि एक brick आप कर सकते हैं donate, और या फिर आप members बन सकते हैं for, I believe it's a US $11 at this time.
Yes.
If you want to
donate a brick. This $11.
So it's very affordable.
It's very affordable.
Nominal.
It's a very nominal.
So like buy 100 bricks.
Yes.
That's not going to be too much.
So or buy it for the entire family.
Yes.
So there are
One
packages
each.
available online, और इस वक्त online पे नीचे आप देख सकते हैं website का number and the contact information, website information है नीचे.
And of
Please
course we
reach
will
out
post
there.
everything on our Mani and Freeha show Facebook page.
Absolutely. And ये सवाब जारिया है, आप इसमें बिल्कुल देने कीजिए. And if you want to come in person, जैसे यासिर साहब ने कहा है, May 12th is the day. May 12th is it's Friday. और आप उस वक्त आकर अलीमा खान से मिल सकते हैं. And all of the girls, especially, just know this, of course, Hamza Abbasi is coming too. So, and the reason I said it, you know.
Oh, I thought you were talking about us, Mani. Okay. All the girls out there who want to meet us.
Yes. And of course, you know, if you have any, you know, you want to meet us too, of course, myself and Freeha, and we will be there too. And of course, not to mention
our celebrity of the day.
The celebrity of the day, he will be there too.
Inshallah, I'll be there too.
And you will get to meet a lot of people from Toronto, NAML president, and many more people, you know, who would.
So as this is the Canadian chapter, how many chapters do you have around the world?
We have a group of coordinators, and
Yes.
they're all over the world, and these events are happening in all over the world. Yes, for
Wonderful.
Sure. Yes.
So if you miss the one here in Toronto, not to worry, you can attend one elsewhere in the world
Yes.
and get your brick.
Yes.
And of course, you don't even have to attend. You can from the website,
Yes,
right?
you can go to the website and donate there. Like you can become a member or just give one-time donation, or you can sponsor a student.
Yeah. Wonderful. How much does it cost to sponsor a student?
Sorry.
And again, this is all information is available on the
It's
website.
available on the website.
And the reason being for that is that this information is still in development for the Canadian chapter, and again, this is in progress. Because all of the amounts had to be adjusted accordingly for the Canadian chapter. So that's why we do not have that updated information. So it's still work in progress. It's not that we are not up to date. So just that's the reason being. And again, by the time hopefully you get to the website, you will have all of the information will be updated, inshallah, by then. And again, just just giving you a friendly reminder, we are so looking forward to see you all on May 12th.
So you were saying, Yasser, that you have plans of establishing a medical school, but you have 4 more institutions. So what are the other institutions that you're thinking of?
The other one will be a business school,
Yes.
an agri school, and a humanities school.
An agricultural school.
Yes.
And also we all know the necessity of, even if the students decided to go back home in their rural areas, the importance of
Right.
knowledge in agriculture.
Yes, because agricultural is a big part of Pakistan economy, and so we would like to have the students more knowledge about agriculture and
And it is important, like everything there is organic, and so whenever we go back home to Pakistan, the fruits, they're a lot more tastier.
God,
My
yes.
favorite are false. That's my favorite fruit, and I know it's very seasonal. Whenever I did visit, it was like there for a day, and then it's like, oh, the season's over, and it's like, oh, I didn't get my fill.
I know. So it's imperative that, of course, you learn all about the agriculture, because our economy, especially Pakistan's economy, is based on agriculture. So we have a message from...
Yes, from Yasser. You were saying that you have
So we wanna
a
hear from
personal,
you.
heartfelt message for each person.
Yes, so my message to all my Pakistani Canadian fellows that this is a great opportunity for all of us to promote education in Pakistan. And this is what I would say, that we do so much for our kids here. We want the best education for them, but I think what would be an exceptional, that we would dream same thing about other kids, and help them fulfill their goals, and build a strong, educated nation.
Oh, great.
As you said, that the basis is the education, but you're not just providing that education, you're providing them a life that they can take forward, and which will help generations to come. And I believe that we have a video clip from...
Yes, we do have a
Imran
message
Khan?
for Imran Khan, which he especially recorded for Namal Knowledge City. So I would encourage everybody to listen to his message.
So let's watch it together.
Yes, we have his message now.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। एक ख्वाब है नमल नॉलेज सिटी का। ये एक पाकिस्तान में एक ऐसा एक मंसूबा है जो कि हम पाकिस्तान की ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी बनाना चाहते हैं। हम एक ऐसा एक नॉलेज सिटी बनाना चाहते हैं जिसकी बुनियाद बने एक नए पाकिस्तान के लिए। और हमेशा नॉलेज सिटी और एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन के ऊपर कौमें बनती हैं। बरतानिया, ऑक्सफोर्ड और कैम्ब्रिज के ऊपर, दुनिया के ऊपर उन्होंने हुकूमत की 2 ज़बरदस्त यूनिवर्सिटीज़। तो ये हमारा एक बड़ा ख्वाब है कि हम एक बड़ा खूबसूरत इलाका है, और हम यहाँ एक ऐसा नॉलेज सेंटर बनाएं जिधर सारी दुनिया से लोग यहाँ पढ़ने आए। मुझे बड़े फ़ख्र से मैं कहता हूँ कि गरीब घरानों के बच्चे 90% स्कॉलरशिप पे मुफ्त पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, ब्रैडफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्रीज ले रहे हैं नमल में बैठ के। अब हमारा दूसरा ब्लॉक बनाने जा रहे हैं, और उसके लिए फंड रेजिंग इवेंट। मैं चाहता हूँ आप सब इस पर कंट्रीब्यूट करें। इन फंड्स के जरिए इंशाल्लाह हम अब जल्दी से अपना दूसरा ब्लॉक कंप्लीट करेंगे, और उसके बाद मुसलसल एक मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए हमने ज़मीन ले ली है, वो भी अलहदा ज़मीन है, हॉस्पिटल भी बनाने लगे हैं। तो हमारा ये जो ख्वाब है, ये अब एक बड़ी वसीम नॉलेज सिटी की तरफ जा रहा है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ आप सब इसका हिस्सा बने। इस तरह आपने मेरी शौकत में मदद की, मुझे उम्मीद है कि इंशाल्लाह आप उसी तरह नमल नॉलेज सिटी में हमारी मदद करेंगे।
So you can really hear the passion that Imran Khan has for this project. And thank you so much, Yasser, for taking the time out to be with us today to share about the project, because I'm sure that there's many people who are not aware of this beautiful area, the Namal Knowledge City, great name, and great place to be at. And a little bit more about the fundraising event, just a reminder for each of us.
Yes, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me here and giving me the opportunity to talk about this great project. Yes, we have an event coming up on May 12th with Alima Khan and Hamza Ali Abbasi at Red Rose Banquet Hall, and I'm really hoping that whoever gets this message, they will come and participate in this great event.
Inshallah. Thank you so much.
And
both Mani and I encourage you to come out as well. It's a great cause, and you get to, have dinner with us.
Absolutely,
Who wouldn't
not
want
just
that?
with us. And there are phenomenal personalities going to be there. Of course, starting off with Alima Ji, Alima Khan, and Hamza Abbasi will be there. And we have, and just to let you know, we are also part of the NAML team. So we are literally working day and night along with Yasser, an extensive team. We are working team, and day and night putting a lot of work together to just not to ensure that we put this event together to make sure a successful evening, also to ensure that this is not just one night kind of a successful event, but also we meet the goals and objectives why we get together.
It's an ongoing project.
It's an ongoing project. So this is a one step in the right direction towards this initiative. So again, as we mentioned, there's information at the bottom of the screen that how you can get the tickets. Contact either. The easiest way is if you're watching this show, you can contact myself or Fariha through the show, or you can contact Yasser Malik Saab, or there's Eventbrite, I believe, page is also set up for the tickets, or
and
your
if all
Facebook
else
page.
fails, you can always contact us on the Mani and Fariha Show Facebook page. What a
And
great show, Mani.
exactly.
I've learned so much today. And what a great
Absolutely.
initiative. Like we always say that the Mani and Fariha Show, it may be what it's called, but it truly is your show. So everything which is near and dear to your heart, your causes, we are here to support each and every one of you, not just here in Canada, but worldwide.
Around the world.
Yes.
Yes, and we are truly looking forward to see all of you to support
are
this
indeed.
cause. And if you are not there in person, you know exactly how to contribute. Be there spiritually, be there in the spirit, be there financially. You can support through this website.
You can get your break. It's only
yes.
$11 USD.
Exactly.
All of the information is posted, and as we said, you can always contact us on our Facebook page and the website.
Absolutely. So we are always thriving and continuing to bring you best show and putting all of the efforts together to ensure.
I know, we're not modest, are we?
Yes, we are not.
The
we
best
are not,
show.
So always have to be best of all. This is the aim. This is the
This is
target
what it's
that
all
we have,
about.
okay?
It is truly
so
our aim.
we are aiming towards that, and your feedback is very important. So just let us know. Stay
Let
in
us know
communication.
how we're doing,
Please
for
keep
sure.
those channels open, and we really want to hear from you. So let's drop a line or two at the Mani and Fariha Show webpage. Connect any modes of means. We have all of the contact information there. So let us know how you feel about the show. What
Or if
would you
there's
like to
any
see?
topics that
Any
you would like
topics
us
of
to
interest?
discuss.
Yes. So we'll bring it to you.
Yes. And until next time, thank you so much for joining us today with Mani and myself, Fariha. And until next time, goodbye and God bless.
God bless you.